In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use voice chat on Chatgpt-4o. Whether you're new to voice interactions or simply looking to enhance your experience with ChatGPT, this quick guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open ChatGPT. Depending on how you're accessing it, this might be through a web browser or a dedicated app. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, as this will ensure the smoothest experience. Once ChatGPT is open, the next thing you'll need to do is start a new chat. This ensures you're working with a fresh slate and the AI is ready to listen and respond to your voice input accurately. With your new chat window open, direct your attention to the message bar. Here, you'll find a microphone icon. This is your gateway to activating the voice chat feature. Go ahead and tap the microphone icon. I promise it's as simple as that. A quick tap is all it takes to switch from typing to speaking. Now that the voice feature is enabled, you can begin talking. Feel free to speak naturally and clearly, as if you were having a conversation with a friend. The technology is designed to pick up your voice accurately, so there's no need to shout or over-enunciate. Just be yourself. Once you've finished speaking, you'll notice that GPT-4o will take a moment to listen, process what you've said, and then formulate a response in real time. It's fascinating to observe how seamlessly it can handle natural language input and provide you with a thoughtful reply. Bear in mind that the AI might pause briefly as it considers the best way to respond, so don't worry if there's a slight delay. If the initial response prompts more questions or you need further clarification, feel free to ask follow-up questions. Simply continue speaking into the microphone as before, maintaining the flow of conversation. Engaging with GPT-4o in this manner can be exceptionally rewarding, as it allows for a dynamic conversational experience. In closing, using voice chat with Chatgpt-4o can greatly enhance your interaction by bringing an element of ease and spontaneity to the process. The key steps are to open ChatGPT, start a new chat, tap the microphone, begin talking, and allow the AI a moment to respond. Remember, follow-up questions are your friends. They not only carry the conversation forward, but also help refine the responses you receive. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you now feel confident about using voice chat with Chatgpt-4o. Enjoy exploring what this technology has to offer, and happy chatting.